This video is brought to you by Videoblocks. The art of film is amazing, but it's not always so easy to tell your visual story, and that's why we've packed 5 cinematography hacks for your next film project. Hey guys, it's Jordy here for Cinecom.net and welcome to Creative Tuesday, a weekly series where we think out of the box and find a creative way to pull off a nice filmmaking trick. So let's get started with the first cinematography hack. If you need to give the impression that your actor is standing in front of a window, but there is no window, well, then just take a piece of cardboard and some scissors. Cut out a recognizable shape like the inner window frame or blinds. Place your light behind that shape and let your actor do his thing. And now it seems like Janek is peeping through a window, spying on his neighbors. Now you can also create other shapes like the leaves of a tree, and these kinds of things are called a cuculurus. Trick number 2. You can make your shots a bit more interesting by adding some dust particles to it. You can shake an old towel, but that will also create a lot of wind. So we found a clever idea by the buff nerds on how to create dust particles and get more control over their movement. Simply rub a paper tissue against a rasp. Voila! A dramatic shot. Now we got 3 more awesome tips for you guys, but before we continue, I'd first like to thank our sponsor, Videoblocks. It's a huge library where you can find stock clips, promotion templates, transition, cinematic effects, and so much more. And if you click on the first link in the description below, you can try it out all yourself with a 7-day trial completely for free. Now moving on with trick number 3. If you're on a location and need to move the sunlight to a different spot, then you got a problem. Unless you took a simple mirror with you. Reflecting the sunlight creates a very strong light source, something you can't mimic with lights on batteries. And this is ideal for setting up a strong backlight, adding more depth to your shots, definitely if your subject is standing in the shadow. Trick number 4. Ever seen those iconic shots where the camera films through a door lock? Well, in reality, it's not always so easy to pull that off. And definitely if your location doesn't give you all the space to set up lights and everything. Well, here's what you can do. Take a piece of black paper and cut out the shape of a door lock. Hold that in front of your lens and you get the same impression. And you can also use other materials or shapes to mimic something, like peeping through a closet. And that brings me to the last cinematography trick. If you want to create that iconic dream look you often see in soap series, well then you can perfectly do that in camera. Now steal some stockings from your girlfriend and lock them between your camera body and the lens. And it will soften the skin tones but also bloom the lights. If you have any other tricks in mind, then let us know in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching, and stay creative.
Janek! We got 400,000 subscribers!
Let's go party!